Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be, voila, the makeover of this bathroom from start to finish. Kind of a makeover, a lot of updates, all DIY by Ron and I. And so if you remember last year when I first moved in here with him, I did repaint this bathroom to this color, which is what it is now, which is Mindful Gray. That color will stay, but we will work around it, as well as that picture over there in the far back by the bathtub. That will stay as well. I DIY'd that also, but everything else is going to be touched in some way. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Also, if you want literal step-by-step details of pretty much everything in here, it will be over on Ron's channel. You're just gonna get like the process to start to finish here on this channel. But the actual technical step-by-step stuff will be done over there on his channel, so make sure you check it out. If you need any help doing anything in a bathroom reno, it'll be over there and on his channel, which will be linked down below in the description. So yeah, let's go ahead and just redo this bathroom for a fraction of the cost of, I don't know, hiring someone out to come in and do your bathroom. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of it.
Just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before, now we finally found our way. And love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. lost the battle, trying at all costs, so to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad, all I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance. Tomorrow is another day to sit around and waste away without you, baby. Oh, without you, baby. My life used to be in blue, now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest, can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I didn't do like a lot of talking in the video because I felt like everything that we did in here was really self-explanatory. It's not like a super huge space. And so I just felt like you watching it probably would have been a lot more satisfying than me just talking about what you actually see happening, if that makes sense. One of the greatest impacts in this bathroom would be this shower right here. And literally all we did was paint the framework. That was it. That was all. And the full step-by-step on how to do this will be over on Ron's channel, as with every single thing in here. The light installation, all the plumbing work, all the faucet tub installation of the faucets, all of that stuff will be over on his channel in full step-by-step details in case you want to follow along and do the exact same thing. All I did was really just went shopping and decorated. That's literally all I did. He did all the hard stuff. Everything in here, I either hauled it, and if I didn't, I think I probably put on the screen like right beside each thing that maybe I didn't haul in a separate video. I'm telling you where I got it from in the video. The second biggest impact here in this bathroom would be the painting of the cabinetry, which is the exact same paint that we use downstairs on the island. It's the leftover paint from that. And I think that's probably it as far as like the major things in here. I mean, it looks absolutely beautiful. First of all, I mean, it's beautiful. There was no real theme in the space. It's just luxe and not even gonna say spotlight, but very modern, but warm with all the wood tone items and stuff that's in here. I felt like warmed it up a little bit. The one thing we did not tackle was the floors. Later on, we made, it's not even a big deal to me, to be honest, but we made either paint the floors or cover them with like a luxury vinyl material. Really not even worried about the floors so much so. That part probably will get tackled whenever we get to the changing of the floors upstairs overall. So like to have a continuum flow, if that makes sense, might be when these floors in here get some attention. But for right now, they're fine. Yeah, I think that's it, y'all. I really think that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer anything I didn't cover in this video. Again, if you're interested in anything getting done step by step on how to install lights or faucets or anything like that, That will be over on Ron's channel. It will also be linked down below in the description bar. So make sure you go check it out. Subscribe to him. There'll be a refresh of the bedroom just to kind of make it more spring, summer inviting. Yeah, so that'll be the next video after this video. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I will catch you over in that video. Bye, y'all.